sunlight, there's a fan that cools the actual air across them, and then they're insulated. So it really is a measure of what the air temperature is at a meter height, which is the same height that we have our sensors at our climate station outside. So that's temperature. And then we have the tubing, and the tubing is what's pulling the CO2 in so that we can measure the concentration of the CO2. And then that air is also returned. Okay, so you might have noticed there's these things that we almost always trip over as we're walking around the chambers. And what they do is they'll open the front of the chamber. Measurements on these plants, we've got to be able to get in there and measure what's going on, to look at the sensors or calibrate the sensors. So we're going to open the door and you get to come inside. Okay, so it's just a big solenoid that opens it. We have a switch on the back, and that causes it to open. And in order to get inside, we can actually unclip it from the solenoid, and we set the door up on a wood block. And then you guys can come in, have a look inside the chamber. Okay, so when we get in here, let's see, there's this is our temperature control facility that's around or the housing that's around our temperature humidity sensor. And there's a fan on the front, so that pulls the air from inside through there. So it's really getting a measure of the actual air temperature and humidity. These are the sprinklers. So as the water falls on the top of the chamber, then it collects in a bucket until you get 2 liters of water, and then it sprays out onto the plants through these 6 sprayers. Up here we have the vent or the tubing through which CO2 is pulled out of the chamber so that it can monitor what the CO2 concentration is and then put it back into the chamber. On the top here we have a light sensor, so we know if it's day or night and how much light there is in the environment. So we can relate that to our photosynthesis and respiration measurements. Then over here, actually, this is where we were putting our beehive. So because it's a closed chamber, we have to have pollinators. So we have flies and bees that we keep here while the plants are flowering so that they get pollinated. Okay, so we just saw the weather station and the miniature weather station inside each paracosm outside. And all that information is fed in here into the mission control. So the mission control computers, what they do is, you can see the figures on this that are monitoring CO2 temperature. So for the purpose of this lecture, we're just going to focus on this one figure up here on the left, and that's the temperature control. So what you see on the y-axis is the temperature, and the x-axis is the time of the day over 24 hours. And you can see dawn starts down here. This is the light level down here. And at dawn, so there's a black line, and that's the weather station data. The green lines are the ambient chambers, and they're controlling temperature to be the same as ambient. And then we have the red lines that are the symmetrically elevated chambers, and you can see they're always 3.5 degrees Celsius warmer throughout the whole day, compared to the blue lines, which are the asymmetric treatment, and they are the 5 degrees warmer at dawn, but by the time it becomes midday, they're only 2 degrees Celsius warmer. So those are the different temperatures.